Now let's copy this whole row multiple times. This would be 15. Okay, let's see what's happening here now. Let's select this one, data validation, it says H5 and H6. H5 is this row and H6 would be this one. So that doesn't make any sense because that's reporting hours. So now let's fix this. So for this time, let's do data validation. You know what? Let's do this. Let's create a name reference here. Start date, hit enter. And for this, say end date, hit enter. Then we'll go here and data validation, let's say equal to start date, end date. Now it's fixed. Now let's see what happened. Oh, it's, we were supposed to enter dates between 8:14 and 8:20, so we can just say, let's say on that day we worked on 2 projects. Remove this. So we'll pick a different project for this. You're just doing a demo, so I just wanted some data here. That. Okay. So this client is ZZZ, this is Q software. You can change it. I'm just trying to use some different values to give you some real-time look. So we'll change managers here a little bit. Contact numbers, I'll leave it alone. Here I'll say 8, 9, 10, 5. Okay. Start time, let's say it is 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 7 a.m. Here, let's say the day we closed on around 7 p.m., 6 p.m., 8, 9 p.m. We will fix this. Format, time. So we got hours now. This needs to be the sum of all these hours. Well, definitely this is wrong. As you can see, on August 14th, it's 12 hours and 30 minutes, 11 hours, 8 hours, 10, 14, definitely it needs to be more than 24. Now the problem with Excel is that by default, when it adds time, and if the total goes beyond 24, it acts weird. By that what I mean is, let's say for example, if I do equal to, if I add this plus this, you see 23 hours and 30 minutes. Now, for the same formula, if I add the one below 8 hours, it's gone. Now, it rolls over 24 hours and whatever you get after that, it gives you that total. So that's why you see the wrong number. Now what we really want to do is we want to add these, and after 24 we don't want to go back to 0, we want to continue it, add. So for that what we need to do is we need to change the formatting. Go to data format, go to custom, And here what you need to enter is this. As you can see, the sample is 56. It is in brackets, quote in mm, semicolon, and at. You do that, now it gives you 56 hours. Now here we do the same thing. Format, custom, do OK, you get 56 hours.